HAKUTO-R Mission 2, planned for December 2024, marks a significant step forward in lunar exploration. Developed by ispace, a global lunar exploration company, this mission aims to demonstrate advanced technology and validate the company's business model for reliable lunar transportation and data services. The mission will feature the Resilience lander, which will deliver a new micro-rover and other payloads to the Moon. The Resilience lander, standing 2.5 by 2.3 meters and weighing 340 kilograms, will carry a micro-rover designed to perform in-situ resource utilization demonstrations. The rover, weighing 5 kilograms, will explore the lunar surface around the landing site in Mare Frigoris, collecting data and conducting experiments. Additionally, the lander will carry a memory disk developed by UNESCO, containing 275 languages and other cultural artifacts. The mission builds on the success of HAKUTO-R Mission 1, incorporating lessons learned to improve the lander's design and technology. The successful vacuum testing of the lander in June 2024 and the completion of the rover in August 2024 demonstrate the progress made towards the mission's goals. HAKUTO-R Mission 2 will not only advance lunar exploration, but also contribute to NASA's Artemis program, supporting the development of a sustainable cislunar economy. The mission highlights ispace's commitment to innovation and its role in shaping the future of space exploration. What are your thoughts on the advancements in lunar exploration and the potential for future missions?